How to download Windows 11 for free, a step-by-step guide. Willing to strike with the same stick the midpoint of an upgraded PC and the updated Windows version Windows 11? If yes, then make sure that the latest Windows 11 won't prove a subtle and smooth-running operating system. The reason is the Windows Update tool and installation assistant won't work well, given that Gadinsider bought a way out from this predicament. This workaround method requires the use of the Media Creation tool, an assistant to help you download Windows 11. Here's how you can download Windows 11. Step 1. Go to the Windows 11 upgrade page on Microsoft's website and click on the Download Now button under the heading Create Windows 11 Installation Media. This will download the MediaCreationTool.exe file to your computer. Step 2. Open the Media Creation tool as you would any other program and grant administrator approval if prompted. Step 3. Agree to the terms and conditions from Microsoft, then select your language in the version of Windows 11 you wish to install if necessary. Otherwise, you can stick with the default recommended options. Click Next when you're ready to continue. Step 4. Locate a USB drive with at least 8 GB of available space and insert it into your computer or laptop. Then choose the USB flash drive option in the Media Creation tool setup process, then click Next. Step 5. Choose the USB drive you want to use for the installation. After that, when you're ready to set up the drive, choose Next and then wait for the setup process to finish. Step 6. After creating the installation media, you can restart your PC and boot from the USB drive to start upgrading to Windows 11.